Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster one is to know how to make two 5x5" squares within an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper to be able to print on an inkjet printer. So let's start by opening up a new file, and we go to blank file, and let's first choose the document type. We're going to make it US paper right there. And right down here, the width is 8.5 by 11 height. We're going to hit OK. And boom, there we have our 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Let's go ahead and drag in our photos. And this one just happens to be a 10" by 10", and it's okay. We're going to resize it once we get it in here. We'll let that go. And let's bring in our second one, which is this peace sign. We're going to bring that into our project. Okay, so all we have to do is make them the right size first. So what we want to do is go to View, Grid, and there we have a grid. It just happens to be set up at inches at a time. Then we also want to go to the view and snap to the grid, and that happens to be on, so that's okay. Now let's go ahead and grab our first image, and we're going to flush it on the upper left corner here. And you see it's a little bit smaller than 5 inches, so all we have to do is just drag this corner down here and it'll snap right here to 5 inches. And there it is. It's 5 inches wide by 5 inches tall. Let's do the same thing with our other image. We're going to bring that in and snap it to the top left corner and just drag this until it snaps right there. And that's all there's to it. I'm going to go ahead and view turn off the grid, and now I can position these anywhere I want on the paper. Like, let's say right around there. And there you go. You got two 5x5 images on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. This is Rich, calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.